Do you dream of turning your blog into a money-making machine? Discover 7 powerful strategies, without needing a massive audience, to start earning income today. Attention all new bloggers. Have you ever wondered how to turn your passion project into a source of income? Well, buckle up because, in this video, we're diving deep into 7 proven ways to monetize your blog, even if you're just starting out. Greetings and welcome to Blogging with Carolyn. I'm here to help you start and grow your blog from scratch. Whether it's launching your blog, growing your audience, or making money, you'll get all the tools you need. So, let's dig in and plant the seeds for your blogging success. How can you start earning from your blog with minimal traffic? Many new bloggers worry that they need huge traffic to start making money. But that's not always the case. Several monetization methods are well suited for small or growing audiences. Let's explore some proven ways that don't require a large following to begin earning. What makes affiliate marketing ideal for new bloggers? Affiliate marketing is an excellent starting point for new bloggers. It involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission on sales through your affiliate links. This method is attractive because it doesn't require you to have your own products or handle customer service. Beginners can start by joining affiliate programs that align with their blog's niche, ensuring that the promoted items resonate with their audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Flex Offers, and Commission Junction offer a wide range of products, making it easier to find something that genuinely interests your readers. Is Google AdSense right for your blog? Google AdSense is one of the simplest ways for a blog to start generating income. By placing ads on your blog, you earn money each time a visitor interacts with the ads. This method is beneficial for beginners because it's relatively easy to set up, and Google handles most of the legwork, from finding advertisers to adjusting the ads based on your audience. The key to success with AdSense is traffic. The more visitors you have, the more potential for earning. Therefore, while it's easy to integrate, the focus should initially be on creating compelling content that draws readers to your blog. How can selling digital products kickstart your income? For bloggers who have a specific skill or craft, selling products or services directly through your blog is a straightforward way to monetize. This could be anything from handmade goods, books, digital art, or even consulting services related to your niche. Starting small with a single product or a simple service can help you learn the ropes of e-commerce without overwhelming you. The benefit of this approach is the control it offers over what you sell and how you sell it, allowing you to grow at your own pace while directly connecting with your audience. How do ebooks provide a passive income stream? Creating and selling ebooks is an excellent way for bloggers to monetize their expertise with minimal traffic. Since ebooks are digital products, the overhead costs are low, and they can be sold indefinitely once created. You can write about topics that are extensions of your blog's content, offering deeper insights or unique perspectives that your current audience values. This method doesn't rely on large traffic numbers, but rather on the quality and relevance of your content, which can appeal to a niche audience willing to pay for specialized knowledge. Can coaching transform your blog into a business? If you possess expert knowledge or skills in a particular area, offering coaching services can be a lucrative monetization strategy. This method works well even with a smaller audience, because it relies on the quality of interactions rather than quantity. You can start by offering personalized guidance or advice sessions, which can be conducted virtually. This not only helps in building trust and authority, but also allows you to understand your audience's needs better, tailoring your blog to serve them more effectively. How effective are online workshops for blog monetization? Hosting online workshops or webinars is another effective way to monetize a blog with minimal traffic. This strategy leverages your expertise by offering in-depth training sessions or interactive workshops in your niche. Although it's similar to coaching, workshops and webinars can accommodate multiple participants at once, making them more scalable. You can start by offering free sessions to build your reputation, and then gradually introduce paid versions with more exclusive content or more personalized interaction. Why should you consider memberships for steady earnings? Starting a membership program or offering subscription-based content is a viable option for blogs with limited traffic. This model allows you to build a dedicated community around your blog by providing exclusive content, special access to you, or additional resources that aren't available to non-members. Even with a smaller audience, if your followers are engaged and find high value in what you offer, they may be willing to pay for enhanced interaction and deeper insights. Memberships encourage loyalty and recurring income, which can be more stable and predictable compared to one-off sales or ad revenue. You can start small with a simple offering, such as a monthly newsletter with exclusive tips, early access to your posts, or members-only videos, and gradually expand to more comprehensive packages as your audience grows and their needs become clearer. For those looking to make their blog last a long time and make money from it, it's important to think about strategies like writing ebooks, adding ads through Google AdSense, and starting membership programs. These methods help you earn money regularly and keep your readers interested and coming back for more. Many of the ways to make money from your blog can start even if you don't have a lot of people visiting your blog yet. It's all about making connections and giving something valuable to even a few readers. As more people visit your blog, these methods can grow too, helping you earn more money. Among the 7 methods we talked about, affiliate marketing is one of the best for beginners who don't have much traffic yet. That's a wrap, bloggers. Ready to level up your blog game? Check out our next video, how to grow your blog audience with 0 followers. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to join our email list for exclusive tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.